Here's one way to draw diamonds in Adobe Illustrator. Go to your polygon tool and draw a polygon. Hold down Shift and press the up or down cursor keys to add or remove sides to your polygon. Now copy your shape by pressing Command C, then paste it in place by pressing Command Shift V. Select one of the shapes and rotate it until it's just offset from the other shape. Now select both shapes and squash them down into an oval. Select one of the shapes, nudge it down a bit and enlarge it until it looks like this. Now go to your square shape tool and draw a square. Hold Shift to constrain the shape. Rotate the square 45 degrees. Now select everything and align the shape centrally by using the horizontal align center tool. Delete the top portion of the square. Here's the tricky part. You'll need to use Smart Guides by pressing Command U. This will make it easier to snap to endpoints and anchor points. Now, using the Direct Selection tool, that's the white arrow, drag one endpoint of the bottom shape over so that it snaps to create a thin triangle, just like this. Using your pen tool, keyboard shortcut P, close the thin triangle by clicking on one endpoint and then the other. You'll need to do this several times to create lots of little triangles, closing each shape until you've gone over the entire diamond. And now you're done with the hard part. Get rid of this shape. I had plans for this, but changed my mind, so delete it. Ignore it, it was just a guide. Select everything and swap the strokes to fill by pressing Shift X. Well, that doesn't look very good, so change the colour to a light grey, about 15% black, but you can do it by eye if you like. Here comes the fun bit. Lighten the top polygon a few percent, then select and lighten every other triangle. Select the bottom triangles and darken them. You should start to see the diamond take shape. You can add reflections to the top polygon by drawing 3 rectangles. Rotate them 45 degrees. Place them over the top polygon, select the rectangles and the polygon and divide them using the Pathfinder tool. Delete the bits you don't need and adjust the reflections so that they're brighter than the polygon. At this point, if everything's looking a bit dark and murky, you can select it all and adjust the strength of the black by using Edit Colors. Finally, draw in some highlights using the pen tool and a nice bright fill colour. You should still have your Smart Guides on, so snapping to anchor points should be easy. Add the highlights to the top right section of some of the triangles. And there's your diamond. Try the whole thing with different colours or different shapes, like this. Or this. Or this. Diamonds! Cheers.